Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. So you may have seen in my last video, which was a homeware haul, I bought some bits and pieces for the room I'm in right now. This is our little snug, and even though it looks really lovely in here and we've had it kind of decorated like this for about a year, I've been adding and collecting up little ornaments so I can style my shelves exactly how I want to, because that's something that's never really been done properly in here. And I also got some side tables, and over there we have like a little chest of drawers. So I feel like I've got some really nice things in here to really style the room properly now. Of course there'll be a few more things that I want to add over time, and we still need lights for the ceiling, which I'm ordering today hopefully, but I don't want to wait any longer to kind of show you what I'm doing. So I've already filmed some of it. I've put the curtains up, I've cleaned the room a bit, put some books and stuff away, so I'm just gonna start from that bit. I will look different than I do today because I did that on another day, and then I'll show you a couple of new additions that I want to add to the room that I'm really excited about, and then also, yeah, style the shelves with you, because I know a few of you said you'd really want to see a video of that. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's make this room really cozy because it's about to be autumn and winter, and I just want to be snuggly and very cozy at home. So let's go.
So these curtains were from HomeSense. I got them quite recently, and even though these ones we had up were fine, I said in my recent haul that they're very sheer and see-through, so it doesn't feel very cozy in the evenings. So these ones were really easy to put up. The only problem is they're not eyelet ones, which I would have preferred them to be, but I really love the look of them anyway. I like the cream contrasting against the grey. So then I just moved a few things in the room so that I was able to put in the side tables. So I've just styled the side tables up with a little lamp, and then finally I swapped around our star and put a clock there instead.
So if you watched my boot sale haul video last week, you'll have seen I got some old books that I wanted to paint for the shelves. They were £2 for 6, so I got them for 33p each. What a bargain. I went into the shed and found some Ammonite by Farrow & Ball. It's just this really nice light grey, which I thought would contrast quite well with the shelves and anything I want to style them up with. So I'm just going to get painting. Is to get this room a bit clearer. It is absolutely full of books and the kids' puzzles and just stuff that we've been putting in here, so I need to try and clear that out a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do first. Tip that I just wanted to show you. I can't remember where I learnt this, but you may have seen my painted books. I'm going to show you those in a second. They're done now and I'm really pleased with them. But if you don't want to paint books but you kind of want that neutral look on your shelf, if you have books with these covers, all you have to do, as long as they're plain on the inside or you like the inside, is just turn them inside out. I don't know why I never thought of that before. I can't remember where I saw this tip, but I just thought that was so clever, and then you have an instant like neutral looking book to add to a styled shelf. Obviously it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I really like it, so I thought I would put that little tip in this video for you. Oh, and then also I've just been having a look through my book collection, and I just took a cover off this Vogue beauty book to have a look at it. The cover is like metallic blue, and underneath the book was white, and this is going to be absolutely perfect for styling on the shelves. So take the covers off, the, what are they called? Dust covers? I don't know. Take those off and see what your books look like underneath. This one is perfect, and I didn't even know it looked like that. I also have a few deliveries. I ordered some dried flowers because I'm kind of obsessed with them at the moment. I ordered some different little bits, like I just thought would look really nice in little vases. So I ordered some wheat. I know some people must be like, why has she ordered dried wheat? You'll see. Hopefully it'll look good. Hopefully the vision will come to life. So these are poppy, I think they're poppy heads. I just thought they looked so pretty. I've actually seen prints of these on Decor and like websites like that, and I always wondered what they were, and then I found them and I just thought, how nice would they look in a little vase? I don't know, I'm going to try and style them up. But like I said, there are a few other dried flowers that I do want to get, like dried grasses and, you know, stuff like this. So it might not look quite right just yet, but again, I can add to it over time. Guys, I really want to apologise for the choppiness of this video. Basically, I started filming this on Monday, had a call from Elliot's nursery to say he was ill and he needed to come home. Then that evening, Archie started throwing up and he was ill for the next couple of days. And then the last clip you saw me in the pink jumper, I was filming. About an hour after that, I was puking up everywhere. Sorry, TMI. I just feel like this video is never going to get filmed, but it's Saturday now. I feel like, fingers crossed, we are all over this horrible sickness bug. I'm just going to get this room done. Might say that the shelves look a little bit busy, but there are some extra like autumnal bits on them, so I won't have as much on them when the seasons change, although when it's Christmas I'll add more. So I guess they are a little bit busy, but I like them to look like that. I like them to be full, and I like to swap them around and move things around, and I'm generally really pleased with how it looks. Please excuse the banging, there's work being done in the hallway still. So I won't go over everything, but I do get a lot of questions about these letters. So we got the A, R and K from HomeSense or TK Maxx when Archie was little, and then when Elliot was born we got the E from Hobbycraft and we painted it, and it's really, really similar. But what I think I'm going to do is put the K at the top and the E at the bottom, and then it will say care with the K, which I thought was quite cute. I love these dried flowers so much. I just think having some of these dotted around the house looks really lovely. I'm really into that whole aesthetic at the moment. I do also have this basket here on the fireplace, which Elliot keeps putting these pumpkins in. Got these pumpkins on eBay. Every single year I buy white munchkin pumpkins, and I'm sure we will go pumpkin picking this year, but I'll only pick up a few real ones for maybe outside the door or something, because these are so good. And you can just put them away and use them every year. I think I got, yeah, 6, but the only thing is every time I put them up on the shelves he throws them back in this basket. Our little faux log burner, I love this, but when it's on it makes quite a loud sound, so I've just got it off for the video, but absolutely love having that. And then I know I've shown you all of this before in a sense, apart from anything that's new, but we had the mirror and the fireplace and everything before. And then this side I didn't really show you styling up because I didn't really move that much. I was quite pleased with how this looks. I've just added a few more stoneware, pottery type pieces. But just a few quick tips when you are doing a shelfie. A few things I picked up along the way. Obviously different heights look good, and grouping things in a bunch of 3 always looks nice as well. And try and keep to like a colour theme. Obviously you might like rainbow colours, so your shelves could be rainbow, but I've tried to keep to quite a neutral colour palette, but I've also included darker colours as well, so that it doesn't all just kind of blend and look boring. I feel like the greys and the darker blues and blacks, and just I think it all brings it together. So this is my kind of look and colour palette, I suppose. We've still got our little chair from Next here, but I've put it straight rather than on the angle, which has really helped because that means we can get into this cupboard. And then over here, I've just put our throwback on there. I'm not sure what to do with this footstool yet. Eventually I would like a little square one, but for now this one's fine. I'm really pleased with the curtains. They do need to be steamed and just sorted out at the bottom, but I think the cream colour looks so much nicer than the grey we had before because the wall's grey, so it just works better, works with the cushions. Then on our sofa we normally have a fur throw. I've just taken that off for now because I love the way the sofa just looks on its own, but unfortunately we do have to put a throw over it because of the boys, but I'd rather it be protected and stay nice. And this is how the side table area ended up looking. I put the clock up here instead of the star, the new lamp, the tables, and I've just got a little candle and lantern over here as well. And then we have this little area that we didn't have before. Please ignore that stuff, that's got to be sorted out in another room. But we have a really lovely chest of drawers. This was actually meant for our bedroom, but it arrived broken. It was from Wayfair, and when we rang up to have them collect it, they just said, do you want to dispose of it yourself? Because I guess it costs them more to come and collect or something, but my dad can fix it, so for now we've just got it, but I'll show you. It's really bad actually, it just hangs off like that, but just for now it's for decorative purposes, and eventually we'll get it fixed so we can actually use it. And then we've got the star up there, just a lamp. I put the eucalyptus here, it wouldn't fit on any of the shelves, and I think that looks really nice. Photo frame, and then just another little basket here to put in throws and things to be cozy when you're watching a movie. And then I don't know if I've shown you this rug. This was from IKEA. Still needs to be bent into shape a little bit there, but yeah, that just kind of finishes off this area. Apart from the two lights that we still need to sort, the room is pretty much done. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to have a Christmas tree up there and some more, you know, festive decorations when the time comes, and I'm sure I'll add some more pumpkins and stuff to make it a little bit more autumnal. But this is basically how I've dreamed of it looking, so I'm absolutely over the moon. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little home update. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'm not doing a proper outro because I'm just about to go on the school run, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.